Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap here on the sound section. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone volume panel. Just to change your ringtone volume, you should swipe this green dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, we can do it by the second way. Here on the right side of our device we get the volume buttons, and by using them you can also change your ringtone volume, as can you see. Also, we can do it by the third way. Just hold your up or down volume button and then just with your fingers you should just swipe this dot to the left or to the right side. So that's it. That's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.